Hey guys, welcome sa another video natin. So ito yung pang-apat. So ito yung my gameplays part 4. So nang ano nga pala dun ng part 3 ay hindi ako nakapagpaalam dahil nga hindi ko napansin na yung record ko ay umaano na masyado nang malayo. Di pa ano yung may 30 minutes. So hindi ko alam na ano pala ako dun, na full storage na ako kasi yung gamit ko na device ay low end lang guys, kaya sa video na to, sa gameplay ko makaka-experience na nila kagaya na naglalag ako. So pasensyahan nyo na lang, and then low quality of mic, and that's all because I'm bored. So please, if you new, please drop a sub, and if you like it, please have a like, and then let's start the video for now guys. So okay, naglalag pa ako. Shit, naglalag. So ito na yung bahay. Naglaro ako na hindi ako naka-record. So napaglaro ako ng maayos. So nakagawa na ako ng bahay, and then yung house natin, look at guys, naparami ko na rin. So ngayon ang gawin ko lang ay kuha ako sa mga base ko, mga kailangan ko lang. Tapos nagtanim na ako rito ng itong wheat. So nagkaroon ng damage dahil may zombie dito na sinarin ko yun. So ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. So ito yung ginawa ko na parang base natin o cave. So ito yung pagmiminahan natin ngayon na ginagawa ko pa lang siya. So ayan, bala ko yung nandun, kaso may cave dito. Yes guys, this is sucks, pero okay lang yan. So yun, napalaki ko pa. So tara guys, enjoy my gameplay. So yan, so bala ko rito gumawa ng hagdan, kasi pag pupunta ko ron, kuha ako ng wood, mahirapan pa ako dito. So gagawa na ako. So ayan guys, sana yung aking stair. So then this, put this down. Yan. So guys, malapit na pala yung pasukan. Medyo malayo pa guys, pero malapit na rin yun. So handa na ba kayo pumasok sa school? Ako hindi pa, char. Parang bitin. So yan. So update lang natin ito. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, pwede na yan. Then ito pala ko ito pagandahin. Lagyan mo pa yan ng para ba siyang lagyan ko pa ng anong tawag doon, ano yun, oh yan. Okay, let's build this out. Okay, so bala ko nga pala ang gawin ay makapunta tayo sa nether, then kunin yung bagong picture ba yun ng Happy Ghost, and then yun yung gamitin natin pag explore sa nether. So sunod naman, tile chamber. So sa tile chamber, ang plano ko dun ay sasama ko yung my dog army. So I bring my wolf, all of my wolf, and then fight in that tile chamber. And I need to get that thing. So I never give up. I never stop until I got that maze. I want that maze. So wala na tayong wood. So I grab scrubber, and then hey dog, ang laki na nila. So let's grab our wood. What is this? This cave. Ang cave dito, guys. Oh my god. Wala na pala akong shot. Oh my god. Wala na akong food. Hindi na makapag-stream. Let's kill this. Come on. I see animal. Kill the pig. Come here. Come here, pig. Where are you? Come here. Where are you? Oh, she can. Die. Oh, let's grab this flower. Okay. What's this? Falling tree. So, yun. Sana hindi ako dito mamatay. I hope we can survive. So, ano guys tayo? Day 18 na tayo guys. So, may bago pa tayo dito. Tayo lang kasi hindi ko na-record yung una, ng day 1. Bago ko palang gawa yung world. Kasi, wala pa sa isip ko na i-post to record. Naisip ko lang na why not? Why not i-post to share this? People to my Minecraft skill. Jahar. So guys. Also guys, nagpo-post rin ako sa Facebook ko kung gusto nyo makita. Meron ako doon. I beat the game. I'm starting new now. I was mining that straight down here. Let's make ikaw tayong daanan natin. And then dito pa guys, dito. No. Hulog pa ako. Teka, hindi ako kumuha nitong salmon. Salmon, come here. I was hungry. Die. Yes. Shokay. Run. Ah. No. Gonna kill me. You suck, bro. You suck. Rawr. You suck, bro. Wait. Huh. We're getting night na. Hey, doggy. Where's that malungkot ang aso ko. Haha. What the heck, I'm lagging. Let's cook this. First, yes. Okay. Let's cook. Ito guys, siguro mo siya na doon. Oxpens. Ano ba? Oxpens. Then we need this. Kailangan natin ito ng maraming wood. Kailangan natin ng ganun. Hindi pa ako sure kung magagawa ko yan. We're good night now. Don't pull yet. This person, then go with this. Saan ako nahulog? Doon ako nahulog. So, banay ulit. Okay, mabilisan. Tanat. Turuduru. Dream. Okay. Almost night na. Oh my gosh. Come here. Okay, just cook this food. Doggy. Labas ko kasi na lahat. Imagine bro. Let's go like this. So many. Munti pa to guys. Paramihin ko to guys. Hanggang maging dog army. And fight. I'm going to the child chamber and kill. And I got an ace. A powerful weapon bro. That's Come on, dog. We need you, bro. We need you to fight. Attack! Attack my dog! No, no, no! I hit my dog. No! Dito my dog. Kill him! Attack! Yo, my dog is stronger. Any mobs? They're gone. I hit. Nampas ko yung isa ng giant. Ang iron sword ko. Sana yung isa? If you know the wolf, like, kailangan titigil sa buntot niya. Kung sino yung pinakamababa, yun yung unti yung buhay. Low HP. I think ito. This is a low HP. I hit. Bro. Let me see your tail. No? Who is the someone I hit, though? Yes, this is a hit. And there's kill him. Die. Die. Oh. My wolf is stronger. Let me. Where's the wolf that? Low HP. You? Oh, this is a hit, bro. You're okay now, bro. Keep this. Yeah, they're running. So, welcome to the member. Welcome to the member, boy. Yes, he's a new member. Kill this stupid thing. Kill him. Die. Even you crawling, you can get my dog, and my dog is stronger. Come on. Oh, my dog. Oh, my dog, bro. Run. Oh, my dog's teleporting. Yo. Yo. Yes. What the fuck? Oh no, there's full damage. Oh my god. I'm not scared of mobs. I have a dog army. Also wolf army, guys. This wolf. That's dog. Let's grab a new some wood. We make this build up. The sound of wolf is like a baby, bro. It's like a baby. Don't know why it's like a baby. Okay. Maybe. Oh no! Are you okay? Okay. Maybe this is 4, right? 4. Okay. Maybe in 6. Oh, they died, bro. Maybe in 6. I will find the child chamber and go and bring. Okay. You want to travel? Get away! I can build. No. Shit, bro. Come on, dude. Get away. I can build. Let me pass this up. Okay, I'm still. Tara. Yes. Then. Okay, dog. I can't hit you, bro. Accident, bro. Get this French. This is really hard, bro. Start with this. Yes. Right? How beautiful this is, bro. Then this is. So this. Another one. We make another one. Okay. I think this not. Okay. Kailangan pa natin. Oh no, my dog. I hate this. No, get up, bro. I can build. Yes. Okay. We make more. Also, my dog. Hey, that die will down. Why? Where is that dog? Come here to the daddy. Come here to daddy. Yes guys, I'm recording this in open area and you will hear some stupid thing like a motor and a car. Please ignore that. Oh my god, dog. Yo. Okay. Come here. Come here, dog. Oh my god, that's a lot. We need to make more to find and to fight the child chamber. Oh no! Oh no! No! Don't. Oh my god. Bro, my dog is died to fall damager. I need to save this dog. Oh my god. Para silang mababali ng buto, bro. Oh my god. Come on, dito. We need you back. Okay. No play. Playtime is over, dog. Nah. Playtime is over. We need your brain. We need to save until we get to the chamber. Whoever die. Okay. Alam ko na pag pumunta ko sa child chamber, guys, mamamatay. Sasama ko sila, guys. Lalaban sila doon. So, alam kong mayroong, may sumama pa. Come here. Mamamatay sila doon. Parang may mabubuhay, may mamamatay. So, yung mamamatay, rest in peace na lang. I reward you. The most loyal dog in the world. Binuhis niya ang buhay niya para sa akin. Char! Okay, then expand. Now. What is this? We need to make more. What? Okay. 21. Is enough? Or not? I think this is enough, bro. I swear, if this is not enough. Okay, this is enough. Only 3. You're joking me, bro. Only 3. Okay. I'll start in a 6 upload. I'll start. So, I need but hindi ganun kadali yun, guys. Kailangan natin mag-prepare. So, sa 5, magmimina ako, guys. Doon ako gagawa ng minahan. So, I was searching for gold. And I was searching for apple. Parang makrap natin siya ng golden apple. So, meron tayong panglaban, guys. Meron tayong pang origin. Na help natin. Kasi, alam niyo naman sa Bedrock Edition, yung kanilang origin sa heart ay yung heart origin nila, guys. Yung regeneration nila sa heart, mababa. Kumpara sa Java. Na-try ko na yun, guys. Naglaro ko ng Java. So, tinanong din ako. Kanilang, okay ba sila ng health regeneration, guys? Kaya, mas mahirap yung hardcore sa Bedrock, guys. Kasi, lalo na yung skeleton, and then the wither boss, and then this hard. Medyo mabagal siya, guys. Pero, ang pinagkaiba lang sa Java, yung golden apple nila, isa sa pinagkaiba. Dahil, sa golden apple, sa Bedrock, the absorption heart, yung golden heart, guys, na nakikita nyo, diba? Pwede nyo i-stack yun. Pag kumain nun, may i-stack yun. Nadadagdagan siya. Pero dun sa Java, only 2 gold heart lang nadadagdagan. So, maganda yung golden apple sa Bedrock. I don't know the enchanted apple. So, we need to mine this up. That was finished, bro. But, actually not. I'm going to make like this. Siguro pwede na guys. Huwag ko nalagyan ng bubong. So, I'll start mining. Wait, I don't have any torch. So, ayan guys. We're going to mine. And then, I'm going to this. Getting nice, bro. Okay. Need this coal. I'm going to mine a long, and then put this trash. Also, I can make a nether portal. Wait, I have a gold, but slow durability. So, let's make another portal, bro. Wait. Yes, I have a fireball. I don't need to twin steel, bro. I don't need to do that. Pero, huwag muna tayo, guys. Pero, level ko yun kasi, unless, wala mo merong ano yung tawag doon? So, yung fireball. So, here I have the iron. I'm going to make iron, bro. Oh, I can make now. Yes, I can make now. Yo, come here. Let's go to the nether. Kung hindi ko handa, guys, mara pa tayo mamatay doon. Let's burn it off. Sorry. What the fuck? Imagine I died in that. That's kinda hilarious. First, oh my god, I'm not good. Sorry, dog. I can bring you the nether. You know, nether is serving you. I'm going to sleep now. So, this is my house. A good house. Building. I'm going to improving this. I'm going to put my bed in this area and in this. I'm going to put enchanting room. Like, gawa ko ng enchantment. Pero hindi pa siya naman. Wala pa tayo masyadong sugar cane. I'm going to make sugar cane farm. Okay, to make that. But soon, it's not yet. Today, I'm going to make another portal. Saan kaya maganda ilagay, guys? Siguro dun. Dun. Dito ko lalagay. Dito ko lalagay. Saan ba dito? Dito. Yes, it is. Going to make. Okay. Tara, ito na, guys. Sana maganda yung ano natin na this is now let's go to the nether. Also, don't forget the food. Yes. Okay. Let's wait. So, kasi maganda guys pag nakuha mo yung happy ghost. So, magagamit mo yun pag explore sa nether. Hindi mo na kailangan dumaan sa lava. Lilipat ka na lang. So, may kasi kailangan natin nagkamakita yung fortress. So, makakuha tayo dun ng wait. What I hear? Blaze rod. Makakuha tayo ng blaze rod dun. Okay. Now bro, I need happy ghost. Dapat nag-spawn tayo sa soul sand. Dun, I think makakuha ka rin dito. Okay. What the fuck I do bro? Let's go like this. Okay. Chill. Bro. Okay, bro. What's my coordinate? 166. No. Oh, gosh. Chill, dude. Chill. I don't wanna fight you. Die. Hey, first try, guys. I'm so good in this game. Char. Oh my god. If I forgot to wear the golden helmet, bro. If they broke, I'm dead, bro. Die, bro. Big. Also, I need your mate, bro. Oh my god, what the fuck? No, they're gonna miss. Oh no, this is useless. Oh my god. If ghost see me, I'm dead, bro. Need to be careful in this nether. Nether is so dangerous, guys. I need to bro. I don't have gold to barter in. I'm here for the ghost, happy ghost, guys. I need that. I really need that. Also this, I need this. You can get up. Oh my god, I'm lagging, bro. Okay, I'm lagging. You can get up, bro. You stuck. You need help. Yeah, you need help, bro. Makin tayo. Do, bro. I need you to eat, bro. I need you. I'm hungry. Come on. Na-stuck sila, guys. Dalawa pa sila. Yan. Bababoy nyo kasi. Nabang kayo. Na-stuck kayo. Patayin ko na lang. Yes, give me your meat. Man, guys, dalawa lang, 8 na. Para nakapumatay ng baboy na 8. Okay, we need to be careful with this piglin. We have a... Oh, no, bro. No, bro, not chill, bro, chill. Okay. Don't run to me. Where they die? Yes, I need your food. No, they die. Yes, they kill him. Kill that animal. That animal is crazy. Where the meat? Where the meat, bro? Where the meat, bro? I'm here for the happy cause. I don't see anything. I need bone. I need the bone and then happy cause, bro. I need that. Oh shit, guys. Okay. Oh my god, this is dangerous. Oh fuck, bro. I need gold. But makita ko ng oh shit. No way, you will die. What is this? May pababa. Oh, I see. Come here. Die. Yes. Come on, give me your meat. I just meat, bro. It's really good. Oh, diamond. A gold, bro. Nice gold, bro. Where's my nether portal? Oh my god, I forgot. Oh my god, I forgot, guys. I forgot who I am. Where's my nether portal? I'm lost. It's 106. I know 116. I'm not gonna lose, guys. I'm so good in this game. How I forget that? Char, I'm joking. Sometimes I die. That's an answer, bro. Hey, chill, bro. Hey, do you wanna play, bro? Wanna get this guy, bro? Hey, you can beat me, bro. Chill. Hey, first try, man. Chill, guys. I don't see that. Another one. If you hit this, bro, it's gonna hurt you, bro. Oh my. Oh no, they hit. I can kill them. Die. Hey, first try again. I'm so good. This guy subscribe. I'm so good. Char. Another guys. I have a bow. I have a bow. If I misclick it, I'm done, bro. Okay. Haha, first try again. You think you can know me, bro? I like this. I like this guy. I can ride. Also, I can ride it for XP. Also, dito guys, play mo. This mushroom. Okay, mine is XP. Alright, as you see, I'm getting XP. I need happy boss, and I don't know how to find them. Maybe in biome. Do you wanna kill, bro? I swear. Hey, first try again. Not even close. Not even close, bro. I see soul sand. That's soul sand, bro. That's a gravel. That's soul sand. What the fuck that, bro? Okay, I don't know. I'm not fully prepared. I'm not ready, guys, to go down there. So. Guys, I'm dead. Guys. No. You think you can beat me, bro? Let's go to home, right? I'm gonna die here. I'm gonna die. Where's my nether portal? Where is it? Right here. I'm stuck in this game. I'm not gonna lie, bro. No, this is my end. Ah! No. Chill, bro, chill. Oh my god, no. This is not good. I'm not ready to the nether. No, this is good, bro. I'm not ready to the nether. I can see, bro. I need to texture pack low fire. I can see my screen. I fell into the lava. That's gonna be a problem. Also, this pig's kinda annoying me. Where's my portal? 166. Okay. I remember. This is dangerous, guys. It's so dangerous right here. Oh my god. That's heart attack me, bro. We need to go with this. Bye, idiot. Okay. Oh, very nice. Okay, this is perfect timing. I'll go into the world. Okay, let me kill this thing up. PvP. Oh no, what's that? Maybe another. Hey, give me that, so. Die. All of you are idiots, guys. So. I'd kill mobs with some XP probably, but creeper is dangerous. Why? You wanna fight, bro? No, what? I use the fire to kill enemies, to kill zombies easily, but I take a fire. Die. I need this. Die. Yeah, sitting down, bro. Die. Oh no. It's surprise attack. Die. Surprise attack. It's working. Die. Oh my god, they broke my armor. That's cool. That's cool. Oh no. No. Stupid spider. I'm not gonna die with you, bro. I'm lagging. You think you can kill me, bro? No. I'm good in this game, bro. No one can do. No! Creeper. Oh no, run. I have no arrow. What the fuck? Kill this zombie. Do you wanna see a PvP? Hey, do you want that? 360. Hey. Which creeper? Oh my god. Creeper is dangerous. Bam. Easy, guys. Easy. First try. Okay, just. Fuck. No. What is. Oh, it does that bitch. What the. Oh my god. No way, dude, no way. Oh my god, there are more more. No! That witch. I'm not gonna die. Oh my god. No, we win. And what is this? Rainbow Pro. Oh my god. So many. Oh my god. Mojang. It hit me. Okay. Silver. Okay. So guys, ito nagtatapos kasi baka kagaya ng pangatlo guys na naputol agad na full storage na dahil mahaba. So dito lang muna guys, and I hope you enjoy my boring video guys. I want to share this video I want to share my gameplay. So if you are new, please drop a sub and